I will talk about the most famous dish in Thailand. It's called som tam. Som tam or Thai papaya salad is the most famous dish in Thailand. It tastes spicy, sour, sweet. Som tam ingredients it have papaya, tomatoes, fish sauce, garlic, and chili. Thai street food, they have a lot of som tam. The most important thing that made som tam delicious is fermented fish sauce or parla. Every time you go to Thailand, you will see Isan food and som tam everywhere on street or restaurants. I want you to try when you come to Isan or Thailand. Thank you.
All right, well done. I think it was a very good experience for you. I think you recovered nicely. This is a good example where when you have the long text, you can't remember it. But when you click to the next slide, you had just word restaurant and street food and you remembered very nicely. So I thought it was nice recovery. So again, congratulations to your presentation. I think we did well. Again, this is one of those examples where it's very, very scary. But I think you did it well and you recovered. It wasn't so long and you managed to do it very well. So congratulations.